Right, I am so into Xmonad. I would like to build it myself. Well, go to ArcoLinuxB ISOs. Here it is. And then you get this link that you should copy paste in a terminal. Copy. And we're going to open a terminal here, Ctrl-Shift-V. That's that. Now you have everything you need to build ArcoLinuxB Xmonad. Go inside Arch ISO, have a look what we put on the ISO, then decide that it's not the right packages at all. Control find Vivaldi is gonna be, nope, not gonna be on the packages. How do I know that? Because it has a hashtag. Put it in Perl. Everything that's black is not on the ISO. Damn it, I want to have it. So it's on now. All these cursors, yeah, please give me some choices. All the cursors are on there, and so on and so on and so on. You can have all the icons you used to have. Save. Done. You choose whatever you like on your ISO, on your system, and then it's up to you. Run it. Either you say, this is the first time today I run or I'm building an ISO, then you do number 30. If it's the second time you're building, then you take number 40. In my case, this is maybe the 6th time I've built an ISO. The difference is that this one is going to delete the content of your var cache backbend packages and it's going to download everything again and again and again. So if you're building 18 ISOs in a row, what's the sense in downloading 18 times the same thing again and again? So we are at 2.2 gigs times 18, right? So more or less. But it's a lot of gigabytes, and you can be more conservative by saying I'm gonna use this one, and of course he's going to get the Haskell stuff. So everything that I don't have, Xmonad stuff, Haskell, well, he's going to download it. So this number just grew. Maybe you just saw it, otherwise you rewind and you'll see it's a lot of Haskell stuff and Xmonad here. Xmobar here. So important elements, building blocks to have a Xmonad desktop. That's basically what we're doing, right? And now it's time to chill and to wait and see whether the ISO pops out. Let's pause the video. And there Xmonad is 1.8 gigabytes Xmonad version 20.2.12. Remember, I usually say it in lots of videos, this is always, there's only one ISO on ArcoLinux, and from it we are building Xmonad. So it's one big template, and the only thing you see here is just a switcheroo, really. It's saying use these packages for that desktop, use these packages for that desktop, and that's basically actually quite maintainable and super flexible. All right, it's up to you now to go to ArcoLinuxB out and go all the way down and burn this Xmonad on your USB, boot it up, put it in real metal, guys. So much better, faster than a VirtualBox. But of course, if you want to try out, be my guest. Everything is themed and tweaked to work great on VirtualBox. So have fun.